Are you looking for ways to make money online? Whether you want to start a side hustle or build a full-time career, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. If you have skills in SEO, content creation, digital marketing, or development work, you can maximize your earnings with these proven methods. Let's dive in. 1. Monetizing your YouTube channel. First up, YouTube. If you already run a YouTube channel, like Sohel 360, you have multiple ways to monetize your content. You can earn through YouTube ad revenue via Google AdSense, affiliate marketing by promoting SEO tools, hosting services or digital products, sponsorships and brand deals that align with your content, selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or design templates, YouTube memberships and super chats to engage with your audience while making extra income. 2. Freelancing. Next, let's talk about freelancing. If you have expertise in SEO, graphic design, content creation, or video editing, freelancing can be a great source of income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to connect with clients worldwide. People Per Hour and TopTal offer higher-paying projects for experienced professionals. 3. Blogging and affiliate marketing. If writing is your strength, consider blogging and affiliate marketing. Here's how you can make money from a blog. Earn through Google AdSense by displaying ads. Promote affiliate products from Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, or Share a Sale. Get paid for sponsored posts from companies in your niche. Section 4. Selling digital products and courses. Another profitable option is selling digital products and courses. You can create an SEO mastery course and sell it on Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Ebooks on digital marketing strategies. Canva or Photoshop templates to help designers and marketers. 5. E-commerce. Want to start an online store without worrying about inventory? Try dropshipping or e-commerce. You can use Shopify or WooCommerce to launch your store. Sell print-on-demand t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Offer digital products like SEO guides, templates, or social media packs. 6. Affiliate marketing on social media and websites. Affiliate marketing isn't just for blogs. You can use your social media platforms to promote products and earn commissions. Some great affiliate programs include web hosting services like Bluehost and SiteGround, SEO tools such as Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Surfer SEO, online courses from platforms like Coursera and Udemy. 7. Remote jobs. If you prefer a steady income, consider remote jobs. Many companies are hiring professionals in digital marketing agencies, SEO consulting firms, social media management roles. 8. Stock photography and video selling. And if you're into photography, you can make money by selling stock photos and videos. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Pond5 allows you to upload and sell your creative work to businesses and content creators. Making money online is easier than ever if you take action. Consistency is key when choosing YouTube, freelancing, blogging, or selling digital products. Which method interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips.